Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to delete Bybit account. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Bybit mobile application and then you just have to log into your account. Now once you have successfully logged in, you need to tap on your profile icon in the top left hand corner. Afterwards, you need to tap on security. In the security, you are going to see a bunch of different options, but you just have to scroll down and then tap on the option of account setting. Over here, you are going to see deactivate an account option. So if you tap on it, you will be redirect on the deactivate page where you are going to see the consequences of deactivating your account. So if you deactivate your account, then you will not be able to log into your account again. And you will not be able to initiate any trade including API and FT trading. Still, if you want to delete your account, then you will have to select the reason of your deactivation and after that you will have to tap on the option of deactivate this account in the bottom. This way you will be able to easily delete your account. If you found this video helpful, leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions related to it, leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching.